My friend, get up there. What do you do for here? What do you do here? Go sweep that staircase also. And you see that plate where you used chop yesterday? Go watch am. Because I don't want to see her there again. If I see her there again, you don't go like what I go do.
Will you go away, you little devil? Don't you know it's too early for your troubles?
So as big man picking where you be, as a oga, you chop finish, you leave place for your maid, make she go wash am for you. You get sense at all? You sure say you wear? See, if I slap you now, you go that place, go wash those plates.
Ew, I'm not touching that. I don't clean or sweep. And go do it yourself. Do you get it?
Hey, see, make I tell you, if I close my eyes, open them, if you don't go that kitchen, go wash those plates, you don't go like what I go do you. I go drag you for here.
Mom!
Oh, no, Mom. I said only you get, Mama. So now because I said make you go sweep that staircase, wash plate, they call her, Mama. Go see that thing first, slap it for your son.
Mom!
If you like call anybody where you know, you must sweep her.
Okay, sacrifice indeed. One that involves being in the arms of another woman, enjoying her comfort while I rot away in jail. Huh? Going through the worst experience possible. Is that the sacrifice you're talking about? Don't you dare preach to me about sacrifice, because I have done enough of it. And if you need me here, if you want me and my daughter here, you need to do the needful.
I'm so sorry, okay? What do you want me to do? Take you to the hospital? What?
What thing I go make you do for me? You wish to do anything for me, you know me? You know me from anywhere before, but I don't know you. You don't cast away, that's I don't see you. I don't see say, now all those Yahoo boys, when they use people for ritual, but you know go forget me.
Okay, why don't you just hop in? Let me just take you home.
Hey,
are you okay
see me see wahala. You want to take me home? Ask my papa now. Eh? Hey, wait. If I come here, they go just scatter. What I go talk? What I talk say? Now me be Tokumbo. You don't know me. Go ask of me. I go enter you. Na. See, I can tell you. If they do all this rubbish one that they do, if you want use person for ritual, don't even look me because I know say my head too strong for una. Una not go even use my head get any chichele. So no even try am.
Why are you talking like that? You know what? Okay, maybe I should just give you some money.
Hey. Haha. Hey wo.
Okay. Why don't you just take this and maybe just get something, get some biscuit or something?
So, as the first plan no work, you want to use money? This man, you too evil. You know all the titles where they use kidnap children. So as the taking home.
But what's going on here?
I don't know. She's so angry.
No, not be my problem. Una be ritualist. Make una carry this una yeye car. Come on for here. This una ritualist car. See I see black everywhere black. If I enter now, nobody go see me. Make una carry this thing come on for here.
Can we go? I mean, she looks troubled.
Money, you want me to? I should go with the money?
Drop that thing for here. Drop am for ground. Why you want carry money when you dash person?
Dad,
Hey.
this is dirty little girl wrangling like a weird Thomas.
Get in the car.
Get
Get in the car!
Tom!
Now!
Fine, Mom.
See this one, oh. Wait, oh, now grandma, this one they speak. Haha. Come down for here, come speak that thing. Make you not say, make you not say if I go slap that grandma come up for your mouth. Nonsense.
Can we go?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Make una they go. They go. Make una they go. Chopper. Today wise no be two. Use razor tear eyes. See? Nah. Just collect 1K. Haha, me be to combo. Second hand way strong pass first grade. No. I go. Hey! Hey. What's it gonna do here? So this man get mind though. You don't get fear. He enter my compound, my house. Ritualist man, you enter my house. You don't get fear. Make I know what you want to do for this house now. Okay, what you dey do here? Wetin you dey do here? The point me, wetin you dey do here? Ritualist, see make I tell you, go carry that your ritualist car comot for this compound because you no fit suck our blood. Ritualist.
Tochi, do you know these people?
I know them now. I know this man. Na evil man he be. I know you.
Please, I'm so sorry. Tochi is always like this when she meets people for the first time. This is my daughter, Tochi.
Oh, she a handful.
It's so annoying too.
Mama, babe, who be these people? May they go work for this house now.
Tochi.
Oh,
Wait now. You remember that's my brother? I told you that he's abroad. This is him. And he's here now with his family. This is his wife and this is their son.
Tochi, I'm well pleased to meet you. I mean, your mother's told me a whole lot about you. And I can't wait to know more.
Me, I don't know you. So make you dey go. I don't like you at all.
Tochi.
Mama, no, they call me that Tochi. I don't tell you my name na Tokumbo. Second hand, we strong, pass first grade.
Dad, the weather in this country is still hot and harsh on me, and I'm starving.
Tochi. Oh yeah. Let's go and make bring their food so that they can eat.
Me, I no get stress. Make they go kitchen, go carry their food. And I know say no, they plan to stay here with us. So I know so.
Sorry. Let's go and get.
You like to do this kind of thing. Who they be now? Who they be? You like to support all these people when they come here.
Shut up.
Wow.
She is such a character and really so annoying.
I think she's just been a kid.
Kid?
Yeah.
How long has he been with that?
Tom, come here.
Hi.
Come to daddy. Yes, this is Nigeria, okay?
Alright.
And I'm glad you love this place.
Wait, what's now?
What was that you were doing there? you want to put us in trouble?
And the truth is, that man no be good man. Na bad man he be. The thing is na your brother, he resemble you.
What are you talking about?
And the thing is, the man, he be evil man. Okay, see, he means one thing. If I don't jam me with that, he will shall scar.
Listen, Tochi, be of your best behavior. I will not warn you again, oh. I won't warn you. Have you forgotten he's the one that built this house? And now he's here with his family. All we can do is to make their stay here a wonderful one. Let me not warn you again, oh.
I don't hear you. But I still don't like them. I don't like them. Especially that small one where they speak super.
Tochi, I won't warn you again.
I don't understand this kind of brother. I don't understand that. Brother will not look like you. I don't understand that. I see everybody go just carry bag, come to us, go open gate for her. See how they carry big bag. I be the one come stay here with us. This one don't tire me.
Apart from the weather, this has been so wonderful. So I am so glad that we're here. You know, beautiful and so natural. Did I say thank you?
Oh, you did not.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You know, I feel same, babes.
And your sister. Oh, she's such a nice person.
Oh, yeah, she is. I missed her so much.
And that sound, the experience, especially for Thomas, you know how he loves nature?
Oh, yeah. You know what, babe? It's gonna be fun for both of you. I mean, a lot of sightseeing.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll make it fun. Don't worry.
So are there like wildlife, you know, like lions, elephants? Are there tigers in Africa?
What are you saying, babe? This is Nigeria, not some jungle, you know?
I know.
You know what, babe? Don't worry too much. I'll tell you more tomorrow, okay? More about my country. So it's time we eat. Babe.
Tell me now.
No, babe, I can't tell you now.
Tell me now.
Not now.
Now.
Tomorrow.
Tell me.
Tomorrow.
Now.
Tomorrow.
Now.
Come on, babe.
Just say it.
I said tomorrow.
Good night.
Just like that. Come on, you can do better than that.
Okay, fine. I just said tell me. Just, you know what? Let's just go to sleep.
Some mistakes in the past, and my past is here haunting me. I'm not gonna run away. It's time to fix all the things I got wrong in the past. I know I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is hurting me. I'm not gonna run away. It's time to fix all the things I got wrong in the past. It's time to mend the broken bond. Time to reveal the secrets I kept. 'Cause I'm not gonna run away. It's time to right all the things I got wrong in the past. It's time to mend the broken bond. Time to reveal the secrets that I kept.
you too. I've missed you too. I never knew I could still hold you in my arms ever again in this life.
I feel the same way too.
Amy, you left us. You left us for far too long. I never imagined our lives would turn out like this.
I know. And I'm so sorry for everything. I'm sorry that I had to go through all that alone. My heart bleeds. But don't worry, I'll make it up to you.
Promise me you never leave us again. Tokumbo needs a father.
Tokumbo, how has she been? Who even gave her the name? You named her Tochi, right?
But she prefers to be called Tokumbo. She's a strong girl. But she has been through a lot. We both have.
I know. But remember what we talked about?
Yes. I already introduced you as my brother.
And that's what it's going to be. Okay?
Amy, I don't think I can keep up with this.
Oh, Mali-chan. You can do it. I mean, we can do it. I know it's been like this for so long, but believe me, everything will be fine. Everything.
You were far. It's different now. You are here with me.
I know. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Everything will be fine. I'll fix it.
Babe.
Where are you been? Where are you sneaking in?
Oh, babe. Old habits. Old habits never dies. I was just making sure everywhere is safe so I can go to bed.
Old habits indeed.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna stay with my son.
I just did. And guess what? He's sleeping like a rock. I'm a good father. So let's go to bed.
No one is comparing to your good father.
Come here. You know I love you.
I know I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is here haunting me. I'm not gonna run away. It's time to fix all the things I got wrong in the past. I know I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is hurting me. I'm not gonna run away. It's time to fix all the things I got wrong in the past. It's time to mend the broken bond. Time to reveal the secrets 'cause I'm not gonna run away. It's time to right all the things I got wrong in the past. It's time to mend the broken bond. Time to reveal the secrets that I kept. 'Cause I'm not gonna run away, but I'm going to right all the things I got wrong in the past.
This is your captain speaking. And for the purpose of this adventure, I will be your tour guide. We will cover some kilometers comprising 7 mountains and 7 valleys.
Really, Dad? Are you being serious right now?
What?
Your dad is just being dramatic.
No, I'm not. That was the same distance I covered when I was just a little boy.
That's some distance.
Sure it is. Tukumbo, we'll be going for a run. You care to join us?
What will join us? Me. Why person go wake up for morning, they run up and down like the person they chase am?
No, that's not what I mean. I mean, we'll be going for early morning exercise.
Dad, why are you bothering yourself with this dirty little girl?
Thomas?
Who be that again?
Yes, Mama.
See, I go slap you this, but I go slap you. You don't stop again. I go whoop you slap.
Listen, there'll be no need for that, okay? There'll be no need for that.
Then I make you know they insult me again.
Tom, stop.
Dad, it's time to get...
I said stop. Don't worry about Tukumbo, okay? Tukumbo is just being Tukumbo, right? All right, I'm your captain. Let's go!
Person go just wake up for morning, they run up and down like person they chase am. One day, when I go just wake up like this, run mad, enter market. But this is a joke. I'm not gonna go come back, make I know wetin I run.
What's wrong with my Wi-Fi connection? Huh? I have a problem with this. It's not even shine. Hey girl! Can I talk to you for a minute, please?
You dey mad o. You know say you dey crazy, you dey mad. Na me you dey call hey girl. See, make I tell you. Call me Auntie Tokumbo. I be Tokumbo second hand wey strong pass first grade. I know say I senior you, so call me Auntie Tokumbo. You dey hear me so?
Is it possible for you to make a correct, simple English?
You know say you know well. You no get sense at all. So you call me now to dey tell me say you wan make I dey speak English, you dey mad? Eh? That one na my language. Why go dey speak am? You know say this boy, I don't know why they carry you come this house. I don't know why they carry you come, you make you dey stress my life. Why you call me now? Why you call me with this? Eh?
Anyways, my internet's bad and I need a Wi-Fi connection.
Hey! Small boy like you. Hey! I talk am. You don't want to think anything again. Now wife, this your small age now. Now wife don't dey hungry you. I talk am say this your eyes no clear. You no clear. You this small boy. You no get sense at all. Your papa no train you well. You no get sense. So why don't you hungry you at this your age?
I did not say wife. I said Wi-Fi, moron.
Me moron, now you be moron. You dey mad. Now you be original mugu self. If not be one thing now, just scatter your body for you. You dey crazy oh. You know the look face before you talk. See, no use me play oh. I go change down for you. No use me play at all. Anytime when you come in, they ask me all this rubbish. I not go take am easy with you again oh. You dey mad. Which one be wife? Now this small boy like you now, like this. You don't dey talk of wife. Small time now, na children you go talk of. They go carry children, they go carry pikin full this house for you. Another time you go turn to another thing. This your eyes no clear. See, no they call me, no they call me again, no try am again. Nonsense. You don't want wife. Small time your father go carry plenty wife for you. Small pikin will be like, see, no try call me for nonsense. I will give you. I don't think I say no train you well. But for this house, here your lane, I will kill you.
Is this girl retarded or something? I can see. She must be because no sane person can do this kind of thing. Anyway, can't believe I'm sharing the same blood ties with this moron. Yuck. Wi-Fi. Come on! Connect!
What do you mean, what does he need a wife for?
He come to me say, me too, I dey shocked too, I shocked too. He come to me say, he need wife. I don't know why small boy like I'm going to find wife for.
Are you sure you heard him right?
Now wetin he tell me, carry that in big phone, come meet me, say he need wife connect. Me, I come to wonder when I start to dey arrange wife for people.
Oludu. He must have said Wi-Fi and you heard wife. His internet is slow and he needs something. He needs Wi-Fi, not wife.
If you talk am well now, if you tell me say he need internet, come dey tell me say he need wife connect.
Go and get me Bo.
Let me see he need wife.
Just like trouble. Need wife. Just to look for trouble you will hear. Wi-Fi, you're saying wife.
Wife go dey for off, my hand no free.
Is that Bo?
No, the board dey up and my hand no free.
But if you still look for trouble, you will find a way. Wife connect.
Amy Dollar, my man.
Good to see you.
Yeah, same here, bro.
You're a brother.
Of course, you know you a brother too.
Look at this. You did this. So good. I mean, I'm so super excited. Yes,
see.
I mean, you built this in my absence. You're a brother.
Thank you, bro. I'm happy you like the place, and moreover, you're like a brother to me, bro.
I
So,
love it.
yeah, and moreover, your money did all this.
Yeah, I know, but you know, it's not every time one send money and it's being used for its original purpose.
Quite about that, I know.
I trust you.
Come on, Amy. See, we go back. I know our story. We both know our story very well.
Right? You know, right?
Yeah, of course I do. So the most important thing is I'm happy you like this place.
I love it.
Yeah, because cheating you is like cheating myself. And what do you think? Don't you think I should just go into building contract?
Yeah, I mean, I think you should. Because you know what? Folks who trust you. Because people are really lacking trust in that line of business.
Yeah, I understand.
You know, folks who trust you. Believe me, people are really lacking trust in that line of business.
Of course, I know.
People are looking for people to rip off.
But I'm happy you're saying you think because a business.
Dad, I'm having issues with my Wi-Fi connection.
Tom,
Yes, Dad?
you think first.
Oh, I'm sorry, Dad.
Hello?
How's it going? Hello. Hey, hello.
Hello?
Hi.
Oh, Dad? Can you text me now?
Okay. Your Wi-Fi? Okay, why don't you go upstairs and I'll be with you soon.
Oh, alright, Dad. But make it quick.
Alright, you can excuse. That's my son. He looks like my grandpa.
I don't understand. Like, your son?
His mom is upstairs.
Come. Amy, I'm not getting it. What about Rose? What is going on?
Hey. Look, okay, listen. Everything is under control. Can I trust you?
Yes, if you always trusted me, you can still trust. But this one is...
Come here.
Tell you.
It is what it is, bro.
Amy Dollar.
Come on, bro.
Oh, bro, I'm choking. I need to drink. Amy Dollar.
Come on.
My friend, get up there. What you dey do for here? What you dey do here? Go sweep that staircase also. And you see that plate where you used chop yesterday? Go watch am. Because I don't want to see am there again. If I see am there again, no go like what I go do.
Will you go away, you little devil? Don't you know it's too early for your troubles?
So as big man picking where you be, as a oga, you chop finish, you leave place for your maid, make she go wash am for you. You get sense at all? You sure say you were? See, if I slap you now, you go that place, go wash those plates.
Ew, I'm not touching that. I don't clean or sweep. And go do it yourself. Do you get it?
Hey, see, make I tell you, if I close my eyes, open them, if you don't go that kitchen, go wash those plates, don't go like what I go do you. I go drag you for here.
Mom!
Oh, small mom. I see say na only you get, mama. So now because I say make you go sweep that staircase, wash plate, they call your mama. Go sweep that thing before I slap you for your son.
Mom!
If you like call anybody where you know, you must sweep her.
What now? What's wrong?
She's troubling me.
What's happening?
I know, Mom.
And why would you do that?
See, oh. Okay, see time. You dey here, watch television. You don't know say you go, just tell her make you go sweep that staircase, wash those plates where you use chop. You dey here, they call mommy. You know get sense, so.
Young for that.
Ha. Too young. But you know young to chop food. Okay, no wahala. You see you. If una finish this thing una dey do now, go carry broom see that staircase because me I no go try, I no go sweep am today. You go see what go happen. You too young. Make una come out for my place.
Mom, she doesn't even like me, and I don't like her too.
Give it time. Give it time. Both of you will get along in no time.
Alright, Mom.
Just a little more time.
Alright.
What's my boy been up to this morning?
Watching TV.
You had your bath.
Yeah?
Oh, somebody. I'm sure. You're not sure.
Oh.
Miro, you're taking this whole thing too far.
I don't think so.
No, you are. Come on, they are kids.
Why are you making excuses for her excesses?
I'm not. I'm only trying to put the situation under control.
Well, you're trying too hard.
Babe.
If my son is in any form of danger, I'll take him away the first chance that I get. Because his safety is so important to me than any thrill or adventure, getting to know his roots.
Me, I no fit sweep this big compound.
Why do you want to get us into trouble? Have you not been sweeping it before? Have you?
They never come that time now. No, they don't come. So you go follow me sweep am.
You better leave that boy alone. Better leave that boy alone. What's your problem?
Me, I no like this kind of thing. No, I no like am. Why that boy go chop finish? Let me go come the wash place for him.
See, if you will not wash the place, no problem. Leave it and stop making troubles. Can't you see you're making them uncomfortable?
But I tell you, say I no like them. You say allow them, make them stay here.
How would you like them when you've not even given them a chance? Eh? Why will you judge somebody you don't even know? It's not good now.
Me, I no like this thing. No. See this small boy chop finish. Let me go come the wash place for him. I no like him.
So if he did not come, okay, let's assume they didn't come. Won't you be sweeping the compound? Huh? Better stop this rubbish. Better stop it.
No wahala. Should be for your mind now. You say you don't win. You don't win for your mind. You go see me again. And that time you go no say I be Tokumbo. I be second hand wey strong pass first grade. You go hear am.
Emmy? Emmy? Emmy, you're in the bathroom? Amy? 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 Amy?
Babe, Tukumba developed fever and Rose called me.
I've been looking all over the place. You got me worried.
Sorry, babe, I got you worried.
She been taken to the hospital now?
No, but she's fine now. Maybe first thing in the morning, I'll take her to the hospital.
Don't run off like that again without even telling me.
Sorry, babe. Sorry, but don't worry too much, okay? Let's go back to bed.
Good morning. How are you feeling this morning?
Are they fine?
Yeah, I mean, how are you? I mean, I'm glad you're resting, but you should swing by the hospital to know what's wrong with you.
Hospital, what?
Yeah.
Who tell you say you're sick? I know they sick. Why I go hospital?
Okay. You're sick. You're not feeling fine. And you obviously should get medication. That's all I'm saying.
It's just say no be you supposed go hospital go check up. Because as e be so now you and they keep say you dey sick.
What's wrong with you? What do you mean you're not sick? You're sick.
Who tell you say you sick? Who tell you? Who tell you say you sick?
Wait. You're not sick?
I know they're sick. Who tell you? Tell me who the person who tell you say you sick.
You know what? Nothing. It's fine. I think it's just me. Don't.
I know they're sick.
Okay.
You don't go do winchi for night. Make I sick. They tell me say they sick. You won't know whether you touch me. You don't touch me. You know be my portion. I no go sick. I forget to put in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name, amen. I no go sick. Hey. What center? No go happen. Nonsense. Mama, this woman, you sure say she well so? Ha. She see me now, they tell me say I dey sick. Say I suppose dey hospital. I gotta tell am say maybe she don't go do with for me for night. She want know whether the thing catch me, but you no go walk. Oh.
It's probably nothing.
Nothing what? Ha. Okay. Now so she go bite person for this house one day when I go talk nothing.
Coach, nobody is biting anybody. Forget about that and come give me a helping hand.
No wow. Mama, where they always go for night? Because anytime when I turn, I don't go see you again. I be you don't they fly for night too.
Tochi.
They call me Tokumbo. Naturally, I don't they talk this thing. They call me Tokumbo. Second hand where they strong past first grade.
What is Tokumbo?
Now just nickname. A nickname. You not going to understand them. But you never tell me where they go for night too.
Probably I went to the toilet to urinate.
Toilet quoi? Me where they go for that toilet they check. You know they dey there. And maybe you don't they fly. Now you know all these people they fly for night. They know. If they possess, they don't know say they possess. They go just they fly for night. They no go know until person tell them say they possess. Maybe that woman don't give you winchi and you don't know. Now why you dey fly for night too? Ah, make you go pray.
She's really pushing me. She's making it harder by the day. Mira is really acting suspicious.
And what happens if she's acting suspicious?
What do you mean?
Are you asking me that? Mira this, Mira that. That is all I've been hearing since you got back. Oh, how would Mira feel? What is Mira going to say? How about how I feel?
Come on, Rose, it's not like that.
It's exactly like that. I mean, what exactly are we even doing sneaking around like secondary school lovers?
I thought we had an understanding.
I don't understand our understanding anymore. You hide me while you parade her like a choice trophy.
Wait, is this a gang up or something? Have they been the one putting Tochi up to our mischief?
Excuse me?
Or is it the other way around?
Listen. I won't sit here and watch you insult me. Not after everything I've sacrificed for you.
I sacrificed too. Remember? I sacrificed.
Sacrifice?
It wasn't an easy ride.
Sacrifice indeed. Okay? Sacrifice indeed. One that involves being in the arms of another woman, enjoying her comfort while I rot away in jail. Huh? Going through the worst experience possible. Is that the sacrifice you're talking about? Don't you dare preach to me about sacrifice, because I have done enough of it. And if you need me here, if you want me and my daughter here, you need to do the needful. Dochi, you're very quiet. Is everything okay?
I'm fine.
But you know you're not fine. You're not always this quiet, so what's the problem?
Mama, what you do? How would they this kitchen they cook? Why? Why would they our house they cook like maid?
What do you mean?
They try to pretend like say you know what's at the top. Mama, why you like to be lie? Now if they tell us say if na me now, you go they holla, they tell me say I'm not supposed to lie. But see as we did for our own house, they serve people. You lie to everybody, tell them say this man na your brother you be. Meanwhile na my papa, your husband you be. Why?
Tochi, who told you that?
How I take no be the matter now. I thought can say you na evil man. You be evil man, but una no believe me.
Why did you tell her?
I didn't tell her anything.
Mama no tell me anything. Every night I say I go to look for him, they look for him. I come notice say she dey enter one room. As I put eye for ground, I notice say she dey enter one room. As I follow him yesterday night, I hear everything wey una dey talk.
Tochi, I didn't mean for you to find out this way, okay? I was going to tell you, but the time wasn't right. I just got you back.
Why you not tell me since? Now where breeze blow, found yash don't open, and now you won't come tell me everything.
Tochi, it wasn't easy. And it wasn't your father's fault. He never knew I was pregnant. And there was no way of communicating with him after I left for the city. Things were rough for me. A teenager, pregnant and helpless. I had no one to help me. I had nowhere to stay. I only got shelter with the street prostitutes.
And after I gave birth to you, they started mounting pressure on me to join them or leave their house. I had no choice but to leave. And that was when I met Auntie Veronica. She took me in and was taking care of you. I had to go in search of what we'll eat. And trouble struck, and I was surrounded by the police after a robbery.
It's okay.
She needs to know. There's no need to hide the truth. It really complicates things. 5 years of my life went down the drain while awaiting trial. When I got out, you were nowhere to be found. And Auntie Veronica had already died. I couldn't find you.
I believe this son don't get Papa and Mama.
Uche, listen, we didn't plan for all this to happen, okay?
You no plan am. Why you come marry another woman? Since you no plan am. You want me and my mama to suffer every time. They like am.
Uche, it wasn't your father's fault. He was in a difficult situation too. The most important thing here is that we are together as a family.
Okay, now, what you go happen to in your other family?
They are my family too. What exactly do you want?
Oh, don't give me that bullshit. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
What if I say I don't?
Then you must be a chronic liar. Liar!
Oh, come on. Stop making a fuse out of nothing.
Nothing? You call this nothing? Ever since we got here, you've been so distracted. And I want to know what's going on with you.
Oh, baby, stop. Just stop, okay? You're overreacting.
You're hiding something. I can feel it. Everything inside of me just knows it. And you know what? Here's your chance to just come clean and tell me whatever it is.
Come on, what exactly do you want me to say? Stop being dramatic.
You call this dramatic? Okay. I will find out. I'm gonna find out what you're hiding. I promise you.
Babe, I don't want to have this conversation. Honestly, I'm tired. Okay?
Whatever you're hiding, I'm gonna find out.
Fine.
I will. I'll find out. You hear me? Whatever it is, I'll find out!
Hey, you there, girl. Get me a glass of juice. And be fast about it. You, of course. Hey, make a thing. True to God, if you say any rubbish here again, I go destroy you for you. I go beat you well. This are they play with you. I don't know what make again. I told you to get me a glass of juice. You see the talk? Yes. Aya! That's the talk. Mom! You want make a clean me? You see the talk? Mom!
Stop! Stop.
I go change that for you.
Stop, okay? Hey, Tom, what's happening? Why are you fighting her? Why are you two fighting? Stop! I said stop! Okay? Now speak.
Dad, she bounced on me like a ferocious animal. Like a cannibal.
See, me can tell you, next time if you try send me message again, if you try send me whether water, juice, anything at all, I will beat you well. They avoid me for this house. No.
Wait, hold on for a second, okay? I said hold on, okay? Did you do that?
Yes, Dad. I told her to get me a glass of juice. What's bad asking her anyway?
But Tom, if you want to get juice, you should do it yourself, okay?
Why, Dad? I don't understand you anymore. Are you taking her side of her mind?
Come on, Tom, I'm not, okay? I'm just spitting facts. If you want to get juice, you should do it yourself.
Why, Dad? Will, Dad? Mom! Mom!
Tom!
Mom! Dad, out of my way. You little rat. You little brat. You stink!
Tom.
Mom!
Okay.
Mom!
Tom!
Mom! Mom! Mom!
Tom, let's fix this, okay?
No, Connor. Leave her, make they go. Because if you stay in there, I go just put her well.
But hold on, okay? I thought we had an understanding.
Which understanding? I don't understand anything. No, could not call my name.
Oh, come on, listen. My wife is already suspecting everything. And it's going to affect all of us. Or do you want your dad to be in some kind of trouble?
My dad? That one now, no problem. Oh. No get me involved at all.
Listen, Tochi, listen, okay? I'm just trying to...
See, no even beg me, no beg me. And I don't tell you, say make you know they call me Tochi.
Okay, fine.
They call me Tokumbo.
Tokumbo, that's fine, okay? I'm trying to fix things, okay? You don't need to make troubles. Please.
I don't hear you. I don't hear you.
What's all this? I mean, this is too much trouble for one big guy. Man, I really need to fix things. I need to fix it. God help me.
Mom!
My darling.
Mom.
What's wrong?
That 3 little girl, she put her hands on me, and Dad was supporting her.
Excuse me? You mean that girl put her finger on you? Where's your father right now?
He's with her. Oh, God.
Really? Okay, I've had enough of this shenanigans. And this has to stop. Your father has an explanation to give. Emmy? Emmy? Emmy, where is that little mischievous niece of yours?
Babe.
Where is she?
Babe.
What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Babe. Hey, babe.
Let me through!
No, babe, I won't let you do that, okay?
You won't or you can't.
Babe, come on, man.
Listen, if you think I'm going to fold my hands and watch that little dirty niece of yours put her filthy hands on my son and do nothing about it, then you really don't know me.
Babe, you're overreacting. I mean, there is no need for name calling. This is just some kid's squabble, okay? I can fix it.
Some kid's squabble.
Yeah, that's what it is, babe.
That's what you call it? Huh? No, that's what you call it. You know what? If you don't put that niece of yours, that dog, you don't put her in check, and she dares to put her hands on my son again, she gonna get it. She'll get it.
Come on, babe.
Fix it!
Hear what Mom said?
Now!
Fix it!
Hey, shut up, Tom.
Fix it!
Babe, I'll fix it, okay?
Fix it up!
Come on, babe. Listen to me, all right? Listen. Honestly, I don't think either of you understand the gravity of this matter.
I do.
No, you don't. You don't. If I don't fix this properly, she's gonna take my son away. This is my family I'm talking about.
We are your family too.
Come on, Rose. You should understand that's not what I'm talking about.
What exactly are you talking about? Has it ever occurred to you what our Tochi has been through? Or the fact that she knows nothing like a father figure all her life? This is probably too much for her to process. She's too young to handle this.
Come on, okay, I understand. That's why I'm trying to fix things.
You cannot always fix things. Maybe not this time. Okay? We've been through a lot and I am tired. I deserve a chance at a normal life. Come to think of it, why don't you just tell her this thing and get done with this whole thing?
I can't, okay? Not now.
You are just too stubborn, that's your problem.
You don't understand. You don't understand. Look, I'm lost. I don't even know what to do, okay? I'm afraid of everything. I'm afraid where this will lead to, what it will do to me, to all of us, okay? Look, I need help. You gotta help me.
We'll figure it out. We always do.
Oh, God.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, Tom.
Oh, hi, Dad.
How you doing?
Fine, Dad.
Yeah, I'll be stepping out to get some groceries. You care for anything?
Yes, Dad. Get me buffet and some chocolate.
Oh.
Aquaman, you come out.
Speak in English. What Aquaman? Huh?
I don't warn you. I don't warn you. They avoid me.
Hey, watch yourself. I'm an
I go enter you. I go enter you.
Hey, stop, okay? Tom, stop. There'll be no need for that, okay? I mean, you two can be best of friends. If you give it a chance, okay?
Hey, Dad. I can't be friends with this shot thing like a rat.
Who tell you say me I want to be friend with you? I'm not gonna be friend with Mumu boy will be like you.
Oh shit! Get out! Wait a you! A bunch of fool!
Oh come on. Also you go buy something for me if they come back.
Oh shit!
You two promised me that you'll be your...
Don't look at me that eye.
Hey, stop!
Oh shit!
Okay, you two should promise me you'll be your best behavior, okay?
All right, Dad. You know, be rest assured because I'll deceive you, and I won't say the same for this savage.
Tom!
Have a thing. Oh, Dad, I didn't say anything wrong there. Please don't forget to give me my parfait and my chocolate.
Okay. What do you have to get for you, please?
That's where this stupid boy talks to make you buy from. Now wait me I want.
Perfect? Wait, are you sure that's what you want?
Now wait I want.
Hey, copycat!
Alright. I'll get you guys everything, okay? But you both should assure me that you'll be your best behavior. You understand?
Yes, Dad.
I'm okay.
Yes, Dad.
I'm okay. Alright, see you guys later, okay?
Hey, what the shit, man?
Maybe you see you. Just say you get mouth.
Oh shit. What's your problem? Hey, what's your problem?
Just say you get mouth, Abby.
Hey.
Look at disgrace for this place.
Oh shit. Get on my front. Oh shit. You're not gonna try. You know, you're so short. You know that? Huh?
Who you talk to like that? Who you talk to like
Dad! Dad, don't forget to give my parfait. And don't mind this chocolate. Alright, Dad? Get it? Shut thing. A rap. Huh. Who cares? She can't even get on my age. She's not even worthy to be my age. No, pony.
Oh, now this thing is perfect chocolate.
Yuck. Did you even get anything right? It is not perfect chocolate. It's called parfait, moron.
Don't come. Don't come now. I know the one you make, you know they call me that moron, you know the year word. Don't call me that thing again.
Then stop acting like one. Sit your ass there. Is that now you know? Huh? Now you have to respect yourself. Next time, don't copy someone else. Do you understand that? Copycat. Now allow me to enjoy my parfait.
You don't get sense. You don't get sense at all.
Just shut up. Oh, really? Oh, Ippy. You gotta respect your mouth here, or else I'm gonna shut it for you. Hey, you look, little girl. I don't know what you're saying, but don't make me angry. Shut, girl. Don't get me angry. You're getting on my last nerves.
Keep quiet. If you do anything.
What do you do then? All you do is just to make your hair. The next thing you go, you sleep on the bed, you scatter everywhere. What do you do next? Huh? Your other for things you copy? Oh, jeez, you're just a fool.
Because I just did that.
Dig it in! Dig it in! Anyways, look at where I am. And look at where you are. Oh, God. Copycat. Next time, you should respect your mouth. Mom?
Hey, my son. You alright? I thought you were sleeping.
Yeah, Mom. I tried to, but I kept on tossing around the bed.
My son is having difficulty sleeping. What troubles you? Don't you like it here anymore?
No, Mom, not that really. I was just bothered.
Bothered?
Yeah.
What's bothering you? Come, tell it to me. What bothers you?
Mom, not really. I just want to ask. Is Dad in trouble?
What do you mean?
Yeah, Mom, because ever since we got here, Dad has been mischievous. Huh? He's been acting so weird. I don't understand him anymore.
Well, he's just stressed, you know. And it's the reason why we decided to come over here for this year's vacation. Remember?
Okay.
Yeah, it's nothing. I mean, he'll be fine. He'll get over it. He'll be alright. It's nothing to worry about.
Amma, one more thing. What's the meaning of Akme?
Akme?
Yeah.
Where'd you get that from?
Because that's what that little girl called him.
Okay, Thomas. That little girl, she got a name.
Yeah, because that's what Tukumbo always calls him all the time.
I don't know what it means. What is probably his native name?
Native name?
I guess so.
Okay.
It has to be. I don't know. But it's his
Alright.
native name.
Okay.
But that's nothing to worry your head about.
Oh.
Nothing at all.
Oh,
So I was going through those pictures that Dad and I took. Remember the last time we took a walk? So we saw. Did you see this? Did I show it to you?
no.
Hello, you. Good evening. What can I help you with?
Nothing. I'm almost done.
Well, I'm just gonna stand here and keep you company, and maybe when you're in a good mood, you can teach me some local dishes, especially the one that Amy likes.
Well, whenever it's convenient for you, because I'm always in a good mood.
Can I ask you something?
Okay.
What does Oakman mean?
Where did you hear that?
Oh my God. I hope it's not a curse word. So Thomas said he heard Tokumbo called Amy that, and I just assumed that it must be his native name. Is it?
It's actually not a curse word. Yes, it's a native name, like you presumed. It means a very strong man.
Really?
Yes, but you should have an ear for our language.
Oh, I love languages. Unfortunately, Amy hardly speaks around the house. But you know what though? I'm gonna have you teach me.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, there are lots of things I need to teach you.
Mm-hmm.
But you need to start paying me.
Oh, bring it on. Excuse me?
Okay.
You don't come again with this Tochi. What be the meaning of this Tochi, sir?
Tochi, why are you bent on getting us into trouble?
What did I do again?
What did you not do? Why did you go about calling him Okoman?
No be my uncle man, no be my papa. Quiet. No be cover my mouth now. Now my papa he be now.
Tochi, listen to me. What else do you want? Who have begged you about this thing? Huh? Or you still went about calling him Okoman? Now she's getting suspicious of the whole thing. Huh? And very soon she will find out.
Make she find out now, person go die. Abi you go cry out blood. Make she find out because last time she go still find out. Make everybody find out, make we rest.
But you know that's not the plan.
Plan quoi? And no, any plan one they make, I know they for the plan because the plan no get head. So make una leave me. I don't feel like for my papa house.
You're not watching. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you sure you're alright?
Yeah, I just need a little breeze.
Oh. Hey, are you okay?
How can your spinal cord locate into your leg?
Sorry.
Dad!
Hey, Tom, stop, she's hurt. Sorry. Oh, Chanel. Okay. Are you okay with this? Hey, Tom, can you help?
No!
Okay. Oh, okay. Just deep.
Dad, I was watching that!
Okay.
Dad, I was watching that!
Stop, she's hurt. Okay.
Oh, I'm not tolerating any nonsense. Dad! Dad! Oh, Mom! Mom!
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Table manner. Table manner. After you shouting, table manner, table manner. You are shouting while eating. Table manner.
What happened?
Pepe.
Which food?
Not be food where everybody chop. Food where everybody chop. You dey tell me say people there. Table manner. You don't want do table manner. Me, we don't dey do table manner. I do table manner today. You don't want do table manner.
Who made the food?
I did. What kind of food though?
Who dished it?
I dished the food.
Who served it?
Now what?
What's the meaning of the stunt you pulled this evening? What? You want to injure him?
No be pepper I put. I be pepper they keep person. I keep person.
What do you say?
Pepper they keep person. Ha.
Look, okay? I'm tired of all this drama. I'm tired of your excesses, okay? This has to stop. Please.
Tochi, what you did was very wrong. Don't do that again, okay? Now apologize to your father.
So you don't become my papa now. But if I call him Oko man, you go say make I know they call him Oko man.
And that too. Why do you like calling me that? What's Oko man?
Oko man na my papa. Abi you know be my papa again.
Yeah, but you don't have to broadcast it, okay?
Hey, so you don't dey shame for me. Make I cook matter them now. Auntie Mira.
Stop shouting.
Please bring your voice down, okay? What's wrong with you?
Make I know they shout. You go do me. You go give me anything. What I make you give me?
Okay, fine. Anything. What do you want me to do?
What? No way. I'm not consenting to that. What's wrong with you?
Just hear me out first.
No, there's nothing to hear. You're the one who for years wanted to come home and suddenly we're here and you want us to go back early? What's going on?
No, nothing is going on.
Nah, there's definitely something going on. And you're finding it so hard to act normal. And guess what? You're failing at it. So spill. What's wrong with you?
Now look, Tom obviously doesn't like it here.
He hasn't expressly said that.
Yeah, he may lack words, but his actions obviously betray him.
Then he obviously don't know your son. Because my son is so high on words. He's huge on words. So if he doesn't like it here, I'll be the first to know. So, get your acts together. Because you're tripping.
You're right.
Oh. Want something to drink?
I'm fine. Hey. Omali Cham. How are you?
I'm fine, and I hope you slept well.
I did. Where are you going this early?
Oh, well, low on supply, so I just want to restock.
Oh.
I know. But the truth is, we've been having the best time of our lives. Like, Farmer's been having fun as well. Oh, I know. We're not in a hurry. I know you miss us, though. None that I can remember. She did? Cindy? Can I call you back, please?
Do you have enough cash with you?
Oh yes, I do. I still have from the last one you gave me.
Will that be enough?
I'll manage.
Alright then, let me just drop you off, so...
No. Of course you don't want to leave your wife and son.
Really? Is that what it's all about?
I mean, do you want to leave your Oyibo princess all alone by herself?
I know I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is here haunting me. I'm not gonna run away. It's time to fix all the things I got wrong in the past. I know I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is hurting me.
You must have really missed her.
What?
Your sister.
Oh, yeah. You know how it is after all these years.
See how you guys can seem to get your hands off each other. Such bond.
Oh, I know, right? Let me tell you something. You see, when we were much younger, people didn't know we're siblings and they called us husband and wife.
I'm wondering where she rushed off to so early.
Oh, she went to the market.
Oh my. Would have loved to go with her. The experience. You know, I came with a camera and I haven't done anything with it.
You'll do that next time. But talking about camera, why don't you just post for me? I mean, my favorite position, so I can give you some shot.
Really?
How about that?
Really? That's my cue right there.
Wait, going?
Gotta check on my son.
But I want to give you some shots.
Excuse me? Got work to do.
Oh, I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is here haunting me. I'm not gonna run away. It's time to fix all the things I got wrong in the past. I know I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is hurting me. I'm not gonna run away. It's time to fix all the things I got wrong in the past. It's time to mend the broken bond. Time to apart. It's time to mend the broken bond. Time to reveal the secrets that I kept. 'Cause I'm not gonna run away, but I'm going to right all the things I got wrong in the past.
Look, you really have to stop meeting like this. I mean, my wife is acting all suspicious.
Your wife? So I am not your wife? Am I not even your first wife?
That's not what I mean.
What exactly do you mean? She has always had you to herself. Why can't she let me be with you now that I've seen you?
Oh, Malichan, look, okay, we're already in this situation. All we can do is to manage things at this point.
Listen, I'm tired of all this. I am tired. Tochi needs her father. I can't keep up with this drama. It gets harder.
Look, okay, I understand how you feel. But if Mira gets to find out that you are my wife and that Tochi is actually my daughter, believe me, all hell will let loose.
Amy, how can we even keep up with all this? How? Why did you even bring them here in the first place?
Please bring down your voice, okay? Look, I tried. Believe me, I tried to avoid it, but she was pushing it. It was as if I was hiding something.
Of course you were hiding something. And I'm afraid that very soon, everything is going to come out in the public.
I know I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is here haunting me. I'm not gonna run away. It's time to fix all the things I got wrong in the past. I know I made some mistakes in the past.
You should.
I don't.
Oh, Mom! There!
Hey,
What are you guys into?
Okay, what's that about?
How you doing?
Fine.
Listen up.
Alright.
I want you both to be at your best behavior. Okay? We'll be back in a few hours.
Alright.
You're in charge.
I'm in charge? Yeah, I'm in charge. I'm in charge. Yeah, you heard her. I'm in charge. Yeah, moi. Come on, what's it gonna be this one now? Why you tell and say they in charge? I beg no go start with you, no go finish you. What do you mean by that? Do you mean I can't take good care of the house? Huh? See this one, you be like say you don't get mad. You don't take care of yourself, finish. You want to take care of this big house. Like you're insane. Oh, jeez. You're just insane, man.
Babe, I told you. We haven't even left the house. And they're already at each other's throat. This is a bad idea.
Come on, babe. They need to bond.
Bond?
Yeah. Listen, babe, let me tell you, okay? Friendships formed. Most after starting off on the wrong foot stand the test of time. Yeah. All the need is to get along, and with time, everything will be fine. Alright?
Uncle, I beg you, go bring rice for me, Habi. When they come back, you carry rice, come for me.
We're just hanging out.
You go fit buy hanging out rice now. Abi, they know they sell that one.
Babe, can we just go already? Tom,
Alright.
take care of the house.
Alright, Mom.
Be good.
Bye.
You promise?
Yeah, I promise.
My son is in charge.
Did you hear that? I'm in charge.
Okay, no one is in charge. This house is big enough for everyone.
You heard what Mom said. I'm in charge. Who they in charge? Be like say they mad. Who they in charge? I'm in charge. Now go clean up the toilet, arrange this table, and make sure you put the best TV channel for me. And then next thing, give me a glass of juice. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm the boss of this house. Who dares me? I've never been a boss on my own. Olodo. What's that? You are in charge. Yeah,
I'm the boss. Nice one. You're appreciating that. I'm the boss. So now I'm gonna make him more listen. Go cook. What can you prepare?
Hey! Juice. Let's do
Can you keep it low? I can't even hear myself. Oh.
If you don't hear yourself, no stress me. Enter room, go rest.
You know it's so hard to reason with you. Do you know that? You're so uncivil and barbaric.
Who says Rabi Baba? I know the Baba. My name is not Tokumbo. I be Tokumbo. Second hand was strong past first grade. You don't hear that one before? So get sense. Get why?
Oh, Jesus. You know you need a psychiatric evaluation because you can't be normal and be having this kind of thoughts.
See all this your baby grammar. Back to sender. I send them back to you 10,000 times. You know what?
Jesus.
If you got money, stop am. Not to make mouth. I can't see myself on.
Can you stop blocking?
If you touch me again, I'm not gonna like what I will do you. This life, I can't see myself. Oh.
Get out my road, you're blocking me.
I can't see myself. Oh. I can't see myself. Oh.
Go and sit down. Get out. I said, get out.
If you get money, chop up.
Hey girl, do you have the keys to the cupboard in the kitchen?
Who can't get that question when they ask me now? See, this boy, you be like say bomb in your head. Your head no correct. You no get respect for people who senior you. Why? See, no stress me, I want sleep.
Tokumbo, or whatever they call you. Now I am convinced that the cupboard being locked in the kitchen is your doing. Now may I ask why?
Jam question.
What did you just say?
Sarah. So you want your talk? Sarah.
Tokumbo, or whatever they call you. I promise to be civil, and that's what I'm trying to do. Do not push me. Now give me the key.
Me push you. Huh? Let me say you no know me. You get stamina. If I push you, you go just fall yakata. You no go even get you no go even fit stand. You no get stamina, I go just push you fall. So now the talk say I dey push you, I be waiting the talk say. So I beg, leave me, make I rest.
Give me the keys to the cupboard in the kitchen. I am talking to you. Give me the keys.
I go enjoy you.
I am not playing with you. Give me the keys. Oh. Was it my snack you ate earlier? Huh? Oh, Jesus.
This boy, I beg, no give me wahala now. Allow me make I rest. There's no fit sleep for you again.
Tokumbo, give me the keys. I am hungry.
I go beat you.
Give me the keys.
Make your hand no touch me.
I am hungry. I want to open that cupboard in the kitchen so I can eat. Tokumbo, I'm talking.
See, you try me. This boy, you try me. This is the play with you, Abby. This said the point. You know
Wait first. Let me catch my breath. I will deal with you. I will beat you, Pop.
listen, because of my come on, I believe you. If you want to, I will beat you, design your face. Because
You are nothing but uncultured savage. That's what you are.
you see they talk. You listen, the only grammar is to speak. I go, no one. You know this house. You know go talk anything. I'm saying I need to in charge.
You need therapy. You are a psychotic person. Kid. Give me the keys. I am not playing with you. I am very hungry. Give me the keys. Give me the keys. Who in their right senses stabs another? Oh yeah, give me the key. Yes.
Stop where you stop.
Why did you do that? I mean, why did you starve him? I mean, who even told you to lock the cupboard?
Who put you in charge?
Answer me! What makes you feel that you can just do anything and get away with it? Tell me. And you, Tom, how could you even get into a fight?
Oh no. No. Don't you put this on my son. She's the one who's been up to mischief ever since we got into this house.
I think this is not the best time to apportion blames to anybody.
And why not? Huh? Why not? She's been so unbearable ever since we got into this house. Blame it on her.
Nobody calls me.
Shut up.
You know, that's enough, okay? That's enough. I mean, why can't we even have peace in this house? Why? Now listen, both of you. I will not let you constitute nuisance in my house. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now both of you to your rooms right now. I said to your rooms!
I don't like this. This development, I don't like it. It makes me really uncomfortable. And I'm not going to have it. You hear me?
Babe.
Don't. Don't.
Coach is gonna get us into a big problem. A big one. But why is everyone walking out of me though?
Chivina me Tokumbo. Ewu Tokumbo. Second hand we strong past first grade. Me, I kneel down. That small boy can't sit down. Hi. For him mind now, you go to say you don't win me. But this one, I'm feel 4% handle. Voila. This war never begin, never end. What thing I go do you and you no go like yourself? I mean, they tell.
Why are you like this? Eh? Why do you like trouble? Why is that you can't take simple instruction?
So when I come be the troublemaker now?
Yes! Yes! An unrepentant one at that.
No wahala na. Now you be the mama for mama trouble now.
Oh, you think I'm joking? Do you think all these things, do you think it's a joke? Listen, let this be the first and the last time. What is your problem? Oh, you liked it more when you were in the streets? You have a family and a home now. Why can't you calm down and enjoy it?
Enjoy waiting. Chebina, this thing when they hide me here, enjoy waiting. You know, see as this man, they take care of a family. See as they carry down his small pikin and the wife. Now make you know the joke with them. Any small thing you go carry them. Now that people that now be the first family. You dey they support them. See as today they suffer. They take care of the family.
It's not his fault. See, he didn't have any choice.
Mama, no they tell me this, no they tell me at all. Which one be you don't get choice? Everybody for this world get choice. Okay, you don't get choice. You know, now today you know say you get pikin and wife for this Nigeria. Maybe he say they come Nigeria and come see him people. As he they come, why he carry his wife and pikin? Why? They tell me say, I bet you know they tell me this now you feel deceive. No be me oh. Oh yeah, check them now, check them. As they go now, we don't see them, they don't see us. As they go now, they go soon go. We go stay here, they do nothing. Suffer no they tire you. You know they tire you, you like to they suffer. Me, I don't they like that kind of lie you. You can't they pretend say you be his sister. I don't follow for that lie you. Make una no involve me. I want come here, come the form superhero.
Are you talking to me? Huh?
You know what? Maybe I'll just take you on that offer and return earlier than scheduled.
Why? Is it because of the little issues with the kids?
You call that little? She fought my son.
No. Tom got into a fight with her. There's a difference.
Excuse me? What does that even mean? What difference does it make? Ever since we got into this house, my son has been in harm's way. And each time, she's either directly or indirectly involved in it.
Come on, babe. You're blowing this whole thing out of proportion.
Am I?
Yeah.
And you see, freely. Well, I'm just looking out for my son.
It's my son, too.
Well, I don't think so. Because lately you've been doing nothing else but just being fathers to other children as opposed to being father to your son.
What exactly do you mean?
Oh, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
You're the closest person I know. You're like a friend and a brother. If I must say, I am so confused. I don't even know what to do.
Emmy, you know, when you approved the building plan of your house, I was skeptical about what you want to do with the extra room. But when you came back, I decoded. But the strange thing is, Rose was just playing along all this while, so why the sudden change of mind?
Exactly my point. Why the change of mind? Not like I abandoned her, okay? Everything was going so fine till we lost communication. That was when she went to jail. Those were the worst moments of my life.
I see. It must have done to her that she lost years. In fact, precious years of her life. But Amy, the bottom line is, she missed you. Trust me, she does. And now that you're back, I believe she's only being woman by wanting to have you all by herself. Nothing much. And obviously you...
Arinze. Okay, Digo committed. Yeah. She knew about Mira. That was why I carried on with the marriage plans, just to get the American visa. Okay? She knew about everything.
Like, you mean she consented to it?
Yeah, she consented to it.
Wow. This is funny.
Okay, now I am in turn between the devil and the deep blue sea. I know Mira too well, okay? She would just take my Thomas away. And now Rose is threatening the same thing. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? What am I gonna do?
Emmy, it's a very serious and difficult situation, honestly speaking, and you need to get on this matter. You really need to get on this matter. Because if Mira finds out herself, bro, it'll be more disastrous than you can ever imagine. Trust me. So I think as a friend and as a brother that I am to you, you should just open up to Mira. Let her know everything. Just look for a way. I know it's not going to be easy for you, but look for a way to let her know, my brother, because if she finds it herself, I don't think you want to have a white woman whoop your ass, bro. It's not going to be funny at all.
She is crazy, bro. She is crazy. Let me drop you.
No, you should. We'll put it together and work out things. That's why, my brother.
I just pray things get better.
No, definitely it will. It will. But like I said, you need to be on this matter. You really need to be on this matter. And not just being on the matter, you need to be at your best on it.
Okay, my turn. I am something.
Okay.
Every time I walk,
Mm-hmm.
I don't make a sound. What am I?
I've never heard that before.
It doesn't matter, just think. Think.
A frog.
Really?
No.
Really? Really? Hey, babe. There you. Sorry. So you're right on time because Tokumbo here has something to say to us.
What does she have to say? Well, I don't think she has anything to say.
And how would you know? Come on, babe, sit. Just hear her out.
Okuman, calm down. I know they para. Make her talk wetin I want talk. You go like am.
I wouldn't like it.
No dey fear now. Just calm down. I go tell you everything. Mama doubting Thomas.
It's Thomas. Nothing more, nothing less.
No wahala. You know say since when una come this house, me and Tom just be like say we dey for work front. I be dey talk say, you know, wetin be say me and Tom.
Babe, I should rather go upstairs.
Okuman, calm down and make her talk. I dey tackle Tom every time because say he dey enjoy. And me, I never enjoy since my life. So wetin I want talk be say, na truth I want say o. This one na pure truth. I go talk how it dey happen, how everything dey. I want talk say,
Babe.
Okuman, make. I swear, na so it dey happen. I want talk am, and na so it dey for my heart. I just want free my heart now. Wetin I want to talk be say, Okoma, I want follow una go Obodo Oyibo.
Oh, thank God. Okay. That's what he wanted to say, right?
You no reach to ask. Abi, you get another thing where you want make a talk.
No, not at all. Babe, you know, there are processes, but we'll both look into it, okay?
If that one happen, you say me and Tom go the same school. Anything where anybody will look for your trouble, I go just beat and well.
You know you're gonna spend more time in detention than in classroom. Do you know that? So you better do fast.
Your friend okay, babe?
Yeah, it's fine. I'm good, babe.
So,
Yeah. Okay, so if I heard you correctly, you want to come with me, huh? You want to come with me and Tom?
yeah.
That what you said? Is that what you said?
Yes.
It was so nice to have you.
What is this girl up to? She's a definition of an evil genius. Just now that I'm about to approach Mira, she's all playful and cheerful. What is she up to?
You don't fit. Yeah, come catch me. Come catch me.
What did you just call me?
No, I say you fine, you be handsome boy. See, I even get plenty native name wey be say if I call you, you go like and well.
Oh, spill.
Okay.
I'm interested.
Me. Onuku Maya.
Maya.
You like am?
I do love that name. Interesting.
You
You still have some more?
now wetin I dey try call you now? Okpo. This one, even this one, Ewu. Ha. If person call you Ewu, clap for that person. No. Clap for that person because the person look you well, call you Ewu. The person see something for your body, we make am call you. If you come up outside now, tell them say, I be Ewu. If they no clap for you and tell me say me, I don't know what's in the talk. Only Ibe. All of them now fine name. Even Ntiele. You know see as your ear balance way. Na Ntiele they call am. Hey, I even get another game where I want to teach you. Wait, make a cover your eyes. Your turn. Now like this we dey play am for this place. This game you go like am well. You like am. I hope say you know the see. Like this now. Now like that. So you go to chase me up and down. They chase me.
How can I chase you when I'm not singing?
You just see me. Be like say you just see me. Oh. You just see me in a lie. You just see me. See. Okay, wait. Make a cover and wait. Be like say you just see me. Make a cover and wait. Yeah. Yeah, chase me. Don't be like that now. You go there. Hey! You don't see me? No. Pass this side. Not like that. No, pass here now. You go there follow my voice, they go. Anywhere my voice go. Now where you go follow they go. Ah! Not like that to the player.
Dad? Dad?
Tom!
Dad! Come out fast!
Alright, I'm coming.
What is it?
I got a new word for you for your
Okay,
handsomeness.
tell me.
You are Onyira and you're Oni Ibera.
Hey, stop. Where'd you learn that from?
From Tukumbo.
Tukumbo.
Yeah.
Come here. Sit. Listen, don't you ever say that again. It's an abusive word, okay?
Okay.
It's not good.
Alright then.
Now go to your room.
But you're Onyira.
Stop. What is wrong with you? It means mad person. Yeah. That's what it means.
And that's what that girl has been lying to me all this while?
Now you see what I'm talking about.
I'm gonna teach her a good lesson. Hey,
don't go there and fight.
I'm gonna fight Dad. Tokumbo. Oh, hold it right there, little girl. Where do you think you're heading to?
Why did they block my way? Eh?
Listen, little girl. I don't trust you one bit. Now, what are you up to?
No, they talk to my face. I go slap you. If they talk, they cheat. Which one be say, what are they up to? Is they mad? You just say your head correct. Don't be two of us just play na. Sometimes if they look you, they do like person wey don craze. They just carry you from that place where you dey come here, you dey behave, your head they knock you, they do like person wey don mad. What did they worry you?
Look, little girl, you may have succeeded in worming your way into my mom's heart, but you see me? You can't fool me. Little brat.
Hey.
Shut your mouth.
You know say you na Thomas. No be your name. So, I don't blame you. I know na me even cause na me come dey play with you. I don't blame you. Your name na Thomas. Now why you dey doubt me? I don't know why I just stand there dey talk to you. See, no try this rubbish way they do here. Abeg, come off for it before I go jam you like trailer.
Hey, hold it right there, little girl. I'm not done talking. Do you hear me now? You know what? You can fool everyone in this house. But you see me? You can't fool me. Do you get it?
Hey, God. Come on for road.
I'm not talking to this girl. Look, I'm gonna deal with you the American way. Do you get it? Oh, shit. This girl's making me mad. She's getting on my last nerve. All right, I said come here and get on your knees.
I'm gonna have to call you back. Hey, love.
Hey, Mom.
What's wrong? Why you look so gloomy? What's the problem?
Well, Mom, it's really nothing. I don't know.
Nothing?
Yeah.
You don't look nothing to me. Something's wrong with my son. Tell me what's wrong.
All right, Mom. I still don't trust that Tukumbo girl.
Son, you're supposed to build bridges and not burn them.
But Mom, can't you see the way she acts? She's not even real.
She's just trying to extend an olive branch. Just take it already. See, in life, you can't always control how people act around you. Much less how they behave. But you can choose to be the civil one. She seemed like a really nice person deep down inside. But then how you gonna know if you don't give her a chance to show it? So, you gotta let her in.
Well, Mom, I still don't trust her.
Oh my God. My love,
Mm-hmm.
you're still too young to have trust issues. You're still as so stubborn as you are.
Oh.
Who wants some chocolates? Who wants some chocolate? That was the question.
All right,
You
yeah,
want
yeah.
some chocolate. Who wants to get a chocolate? Who wants a chocolate?
Oh, that took us a lot.
Okay, let's go. Well, I was just asking if you...
What's in that? Eh? What's in? You know what, talk? See, if you know they do anything for this kitchen, come out for this kitchen. If they block fresh air, come out for this kitchen.
Tokumbo, can I talk to you?
So this one what would they do now? What's in the corner?
Well, technically, you're just talking to yourself.
So you mean say I be mad? Come out for here now. Come out for here.
That's not what I mean. I'm so sorry.
So what do you call me?
Tokumbo, I don't want to fight you anymore. I want us to be friends.
Oh my God. See something. Friend. Me. You. Friend. What do we go to talk? If we become friends now, what do we go to talk?
Tokumbo.
No, they call me Tokumbo. No, they call me Tokumbo. Call me Tokumbo. Tokumbo.
All right, Tokumbo. I believe that the both of us can be best friends. You know, you're cool and I'm cool. And we can peacefully coexist.
Wait, who tell you say I dey cool? Make I tell you, I dey hot. So I no dey cool anything. I dey hot. I dey give people as they hot. So who tell me say I dey cool before I go change them for you? No.
I don't want to fight you anymore. Seriously, I'm not joking. I'm not kidding. Friends?
Yeah. Wait. You be like that and
Come on.
Wait, you mean this is the way they talk?
Yes, I mean it.
Let me say you don't pass handshaking. Make we hug now.
Are you my mom?
See this one. You want friend, I you know one friend.
All right. I'm sorry. I won't.
Come, John. Wow. Now everything don't settle. I don't know what you do that time. You don't be friends now. So as you don't be friends now, you go arrange your distance. Back there.
All right.
Yeah, back there. After you go clean this place.
All right. When I'm through, I'll let you know.
Make I go bring food so that I go pack everything. No be there, not there. You see, you know the kitchen. So make I go bring food. So don't be friends now. Now you go do everything. Okay, see this. Make I bring food for you. So you can see.
Such a hard work. Tokumbo! Where's this little girl? Oh, I'm sorry. Tokumbo! I'm true.
You see this big television, eh? The first time I saw it is in 1965. You know this man's house, Azikiwe, at his house. I saw this thing. But that one has big nyash. Eh? That type. Not this type.
We're in a modern age.
Oh.
Che, you see this TV? Can you compare to the fire there?
This fire, it doesn't quench.
No.
Can we roast corn on it?
You want to roast corn?
Eh?
Look at pure gold over there.
Hey.
We can make good money from it.
Okay, you give us one. You take one.
Let's got chips.
What?
Don't come and you come out. They come down.
Okay. Thank you. Ebube'S. Thank you.
So this, he said this is gold.
This is pure gold. We'll tell Emeka to give us one.
Give you one. Give me one.
No, just one.
No one. I'm supposed to carry these things. Oh.
What for you? You like to the day kitchen every time. Ha! If you matter.
Tochi, you will not understand here. Maybe a few years from now, when you enter your own house, you will understand very well.
Me, I no go keep myself home. I go get plenty mate for my house. Me, I no go suffer.
No problem now. It's your house. If you like, you can pack 100 mates or 1,000. It's your choice. Do we have visitors? I'm hearing voices.
Yes, so now those red cap chiefs, they come. They say they want to come see Okoma.
Why would you call him that? Why do you like calling him that?
Well, now you come and be.
Why you call him that?
Give
me. If I slap you, every time, I don't know if there's something in your mouth.
It's enough.
Okay. They drink.
Heavy boy. Hey, Emeka. Is this you?
Yeah.
You know it's been ages we saw you.
It's been a long time he left our community. And we have not heard or seen him. But look at him. Handsome man.
Money speaks.
Money speaks.
My elders, please forgive me. See my kaije won't get
Emeka is still very much in touch with tradition.
Yes.
Why, Oma? Beautiful woman.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Please forgive my manners. What can I offer you?
Anything you offer us will be definitely okay for us. We're already happy that we're here. What about our wife? Oh,
Here she comes.
That is the person I'm talking about. Our wife, how are you?
Wait. You don't go anywhere. Who did you just call our wife? Is it Rose? Zip it! I want to know who you just called our wife. Just now.
No one. Emeka, as you can see, we are royal emissaries on assignment. Emeka, we have come to give you a royal invitation for the upcoming festivals.
Yes.
But it is now very obvious that the lizard have already started feasting on the ant-infested firewood that you came back with. We shall be on our way.
No. You're not going anywhere.
Till you settle these dust that you both raised.
A woman, your problem is not with us. Your problem is with the Emeka. And so he has all the answers that you seek. Settle with him. Chara inu zakaiga.
have a choice. You had a choice. We always have a choice. 13 years of my life. 13 long years of my life has been nothing but lies. You lied to me. How could you? Don't you dare call me that. Stop calling me that.
You have to hear me out first.
Hear what out? More lies?
No, I'm not lying to you. I
What you-
am not.
What you got to
Okay?
say?
Okay, fine. My mistake was to get stuck in this for way too long. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, forgive me.
Really? Let me ask you something. When we first met, was it love? Or was it your ticket to permanent residence?
Answer me!
I can't. Okay?
I should have known. I should have known this was too good to be true. Should have seen the signs. After all that I did for you, after all the sacrifices, after all I gave up for you, 13 years, and this is what I get. This is it!
You're not the only one who has sacrificed here. I know it hurts and no one deserves this kind of treatment. And for that, I fault him. He kept it for too long.
Too damn long.
I have also had my own share of pain of his absence. In a bid to fend for my daughter, I spent years in prison. The hope of reconnecting with Emmy and my daughter kept me alive. And now that I have them, all I want is peace and quiet.
Well, unlike you, I'm not gonna do a repeat. So I'm gonna take my son with me. And you can kiss him goodbye. Get the hell off my way.
No, please.
Out of my way.
Please help me.
Now!
Beg what? Did I tell you to
Thomas,
talk to her about it?
let's
and
go.
you refused?
Tom.
One more thing. What's the meaning of the word Ahmed?
It mean my papa, my father, my daddy. No. Yes.
So everyone knew, except me. You, Thomas, come with me.
Didn't I tell you to talk to her about it? Did I not tell you to talk to her about it? Which one is beg? Beg who? Beg who? Alright, let's go.
Where are you going?
I'm going with Tochi. You need to sort yourself out because I don't understand you.
What is it you don't understand?
What do I not understand? Eh?
I thought we were in this together.
You are, who is it? Which one? I beg. You are on your own.
Rose.
Let's go.
Rose, come back. Mira, Tom. Mira, I'm so
Get
sorry.
away from
I'm
me.
sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm taking my son with me. I'm leaving you.
No, please don't do that, okay? I love you. I love Tom so much, okay? I didn't mean to hurt you, okay? I'm sorry.
Ray, you know what though? I don't care. I don't care how you feel. But you know what? You can save me and spare me this sorry ass speech. Because I don't want to put up a scene with you.
No, Mira, you can't do this, okay? Look,
I love you, okay? If you leave me, I don't know anywhere. I don't have anywhere to go to. Please, I'm sorry,
The
okay?
best apology would have been you not hurting me in the first place. That would have been super nice. But no, you just gotta be you. You just gotta be you. Your sister? Your sister? You lied to me. You told me she was your sister and I believed you. I believed you.
Mira,
Jesus.
Mira, I'm sorry.
Those nights that you were missing in our bed, was you with her? Answer me!
Mira, I am sorry. Nothing makes sense right now, okay?
You are a bloody liar. You're a bloody liar.
Mira, please.
And you know what? I'm leaving.
No, please don't take my son away. If you leave me, I don't have any way to go to, please, okay?
I don't care where you go. In her arms, in her bed, I don't care. But I warn you.
Mira, please.
I warn you.
Don't do this.
Thomas?
Mira, please, don't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mira.
So they come out from here now.
Come out to go where? Where we get to they go? You know, no say as your come man no get papa and mama, na so I no get papa and mama. We know they go anywhere on our only house be this.
Oh, you talk say you go carry me come out. Mama Thomas say you go carry Thomas come out. So,
Now the only thing what I need to do so that I go give your papa push, make I push him small. Now wait till I do with that.
I want for now. When I want give my uncle man big thing. Ah. When I want make it go crazy.
Crazy sweetie. How I go there for house where be saying I me get I go there hide myself. You say don't tire me now, it don't make sense.
But Mama, you like my uncle man?
Of course. He's my first and last love, so I like him well.
Yeah, I go love you. I go love you.
But this thing will happen now, they pain me. I don't like us in there. But now the only thing what I feel do be that, make him shake body small. Follow them, come out, go.
I know I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is here hurting me.
Emmy.
I'm not gonna run away.
Go away.
Emmy, you can't just lock yourself in here now. Just come down and eat something.
I don't want to eat. She left me. She left with my son.
Listen, Mira left because she's angry and hot. Anyone in her shoe will do the same. You can still get her back, but not like this now. Emmy, please come down and eat something.
Just go away. Just go.
Emmy, okay, just open the door.
My past is here hurting me.
Emmy,
I'm not gonna
open the door.
It's time to fix all the things I got wrong in the past. I know I made some time to mend the broken bond. Time to reveal the secrets I kept. 'Cause I'm not gonna run away. It's time to right all the things I got wrong
Mom?
in the past.
Mom, are you really taking me away from Dad?
Yes.
Why?
Thomas, it's already been decided. We leave as soon as possible.
Mom, I don't want to leave. Not now. At least I'm already beginning to like it there.
You said what now?
That's what I said. Me and Tokumbo are already best friends. You told me to try, but I did it. Now we're best friends. That's why I don't want to leave.
I don't have a problem with her. It's your father that I have a problem with. He lied to me. He lied to us. Like he's been lying the whole time.
Mom, you gotta forgive Dad. At least give him a second chance. I know you would see him a little kid, but I understand everything. You gotta give Dad a second chance.
Thomas, you're way too young. You don't understand these things.
Oh, Mom, I understand everything. You just need to give Dad a second chance. Mom, I feel bad the way things are now. I just wish things would be like the way it was. Can we, Mom? Please?
Can we what?
The way we're happy. Together.
Your dad burned the bridge.
Really, Mom? Mom, you always advise me that instead of burning the bridge, I should build it. That's what you keep on telling me. That's what I'm trying to do. Can't you give Dad a second chance? Don't you still love him? Dad a second chance. Coco Mom, come chop food. Food done ready. You know say you never chop anything for days now, many days. So come chop, make something dey your belly.
I'm not hungry. I want to be left alone.
Why we go leave you now? Why? You know say overthinking no fit solve this problem. Better days ahead. Abeg. You know they even reason me and my mama. All of us, they pain us. We know they okay. My mama self cheat too, she know they okay. She never chop since. She never too shop. She know they okay. Every time she go, they cry. Anytime she see me, she go pretend say everything they okay. But me, I know say she know they alright. Even me will be your pikin. You know they even look me. You don't know say this thing they pain me self. If they pain me. We don't pray for this to make it happen. But you know say as it don't be like this, we go let them be. It dey pain everybody. So I beg, make you come chop.
I know I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is here haunting me. I'm not gonna run away. It's time to all the things I got wrong in the past. I know I made some mistakes in the past. And my best
Mira, my
is
love, I am so sorry. I cannot intentionally hurt you. I have been calling, but you won't take my calls. Please, I am truly sorry. I tried so many times to tell you, but I couldn't. That was why I kept telling you about our return home. I know I messed up. I know. In the past 13 years, you're the only woman I know. You have been my backbone in all ramifications. And it pains me that I hurt you so much. Please don't cast me out. I will be lost without you. I love you and Tom so dearly. Please don't leave me. I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna run away, but I'm going to right all the things I got wrong in the past.
He won't come down. He won't eat. He will just lock himself up there, all to himself. I don't know what else to do. Honestly, I'm tired. I'm very sorry I had to drag you into this. Oh.
No, it's okay. I mean, Emmy's like a brother to me. It's okay, you talk to me.
I don't like seeing him that way. I need him back to himself.
Don't worry, he will come back tomorrow. He'll be fine, okay? Anyway, since he has refused to come down to see me, why don't I just go up and meet him?
Okay, sure. I think that's okay. All right.
This is not the right time to portion blame. So I won't say I've told you. So, but the truth is, the issue is very, very complicated. Very, very.
Arinze, you won't understand. Honestly, I don't even understand this either. This is beyond me. What haven't I done? I have apologized. And I called 1,000 times. But nothing is working. The worst part is that I don't even know if they are still in the country. I don't know where they are.
Emmy,
it's so complicated.
Locking yourself in here all day will not help. It will only worsen the issue. Trust me. But if your friends over there, have they seen them?
Folks over there haven't seen them. They were asking too many questions. Calling them back, it's a no-no for me.
This is really, really complicated.
Sure it is.
But I mean, you need to consider the effect of this on your family that stays back.
Arenze, I want my family back.
I understand. See,
I want to see my son.
Rose equally is worried. She called me the other day, meaning she cares. That's the simple truth. So the fact remains that now, as it stands, you have 2 wives, and you must treat them equally. You cannot treat one more and treat the other one less. If not, you will just succeed in compounding this problem. I'm telling you the truth. You need to accept that this is the reality. This is your fate now. And you need to face it. That's all I can say.
Yeah. Mom, can you believe I had to defend my bell again?
I'm happy for you.
Mom, are you expecting someone?
What was so important that you had to come all the way to see me and talk to me about it? And you have a minute.
I know you're hurt and angry. You have every right to be angry. But you need to understand that Emmy has not been himself since you left. I don't recognize this version of him. That is not my Emmy. And that is how much you mean to him. I know I'm his first love, but you made him. And if you're not going to be there to give his life a meaning, I don't want it either. Because he'll be useless to both of us. I know we both love him. But I want him to be happy. Even if I am not the reason for his happiness. All I'm saying is, if you promise not to leave him, I will take my daughter and I will leave. And I promise not to bother you ever again. I can't just watch him go through all these pains. Please.
Daddy!
How? I really can't find the right word to use or to say. But believe me, I didn't plan for all this to happen. Yes. Rose is my first love. But this past 13 years has changed everything. Everything. Mira, you have opened up the depth of me that I never knew existed. You both have captured my heart in your unique ways. It was Rose's support and approval that made me to travel. Then it was Mira who helped me. Now tell me, how do I choose? How? I know this doesn't make sense, but I want both of you. I'd rather not live than to live without my both families.
You are one lucky being. Because you don't deserve us. We're way too good for you. See Rose? She a pure soul. She's rare. She's an angel. She spoke to me. She spoke words from a place of depth, and you know, I'd be so mean. I'd be a beast not to be reasonable after the words she spoke to me. So I decided that I'm not going to take the promise.
Really?
Emmy, I want you to be happy. Even if your happiness does not come from me. I like what you and Mira share. I like how fulfilled and happy you are with her. And I've decided to take a walk for the sake of peace and love. We can still be parents to Tochi. But it's obvious we can't be a couple. You should try and go to my uncle's so you can get your dowry back. I wish you the very best in life.
I'm so sorry for everything.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you, Mira.
Thank you more.
I'm so sorry for everything. I'm sorry for everything. Okay, I've been lying to you. I love you so much. I love Tom so much. Ever since you left, every single breath I took seems like a waste on me. Please forgive me.
Hi.
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Rose, the weight of your sacrifice is a huge one. And I feel terrible. Really terrible for letting you go through all that alone.
It's okay. I'll be fine. I mean, I have stayed all these years without you, so it's okay. Mira here makes you really happy, and you deserve to be happy.
Rose, all my life I have never met anybody as selfless as you. Your kind is so rare. No appreciations, no thank yous will be enough for the sacrifice that you made for us. We owe you. We owe you and pay the debts that he and I decided to gift you 10 million.
What? Thank you so much, Mira.
Rose, it's nothing.
Thank you. But that's too much.
No, Rose, it's not, okay? This is no way a match for your huge sacrifice.
Mira, thank you so much.
You deserve that and more.
This is actually too much. Honestly, it's much.
That's not even enough for you to start off life, but that's just the least we can do.
Thank you so much.
We'll be going back to the States any moment from now. We thought that's the wise thing to do.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate.
You deserve everything good, Rose. Thank you for being awesome.
Thank you.
Hey, it was so beautiful to meet a sweet angel like you.
The pleasure is mine.
I'll miss you. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
And your uniqueness.
Thank you.
Yeah. She's unique. Very unique.
Okay, Thomas. This is where you get to say your goodbyes. And I hope both of you have settled your differences.
Ha! Tete! Yeah, this we should go sit. Look at your biscuit face.
You have to go now because of time and weather.
Thank you. Where's my hog?
Oh. Oh, all right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
This few weeks has been so wonderful. We created memories forever, remember?
Good.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
Make I open the door for you. Yeah, bye-bye. Miss you a lot. I'll miss you too. But I'll come back. Yeah, they're good. Bye.
All right, bye.
Hey.
Okay. Take care. Let me close this properly. Okay, bye. Bye.
Mama,
Hmm?
as this Okoma no talk much now. What will go happen next?
Nothing now. This whole house now, our house now, and we don't get plenty money, Joy. So very soon we'll open better business. We can live happily ever after.
So, Mama, like this way Okoma come out, you like her?
I hear now. Are you okay?
Hey.
No worry. Very soon now, I will bring another Ekuman. We go day.
So you want to replace my Okoma?
Before uncle.
Eh? So as I find like this rich now, you just say I don't get people they push me for outside. Eh?
Mommy, I know one stepfather.
Don't worry. When I bring the stepfather, you say if you go like her. Hmm?
Okay, no wahala.
Hey, now tell me. I don't get money now. So tell me what you want to make I buy it for you.
I want perfect chocolate.
Which one be perfect chocolate?
That one where Tom they always eat now.
Which one?
That's the way they always like to chop.
Tokumbo. Parfait and chocolate.
Oh, perfect and chocolate. Yes, sir. Yes.
Parfait, not be perfect.
Perfect.
You know, in short, I don't know the number one thing I go use this my money to. You see, one school resume, I go come you from that local school, put you for better school, maybe they teach you good English.
Good English help. That's not be okay. Now English make you get this money. Now so you don't get money now. The super millionaire be waiting. Now English give you the money.
Now me they take.
I know they talk to you.
Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me?
Oh, I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is here haunting me. I'm not gonna run away. It's time to fix all the things I got wrong in the past. I know I made some mistakes in the past, and my past is hurting me. I'm not gonna run away. It's time to fix all the things I got wrong in the past. It's time to mend the broken bond. Time to reveal the secrets I kept. 'Cause I'm not gonna run away. It's time to right all the things I got wrong in the past. It's time to mend the broken bond. Time to reveal the secrets that I kept. 'Cause I